Today is July the 31st, 2018 at Lawrenceburg, Lawrence County Airport 2 Mike 2. Freddy Heintz is on his first solo flight. He's holding short 17. He's checking his instruments, his check sheet, getting his head cleared out. He's lining up on 17. He's at full power. He's looking for rotation. He's staying with that right rudder, tracking that center line. He's up. He's gone. He's headed to Mexico, Missouri. Not quite. He's on final. He's checking all his instruments, reducing his airspeed to approximately 70 knots. He's intercepting the glide slope. He's tracking the center line. He's coming in clean. He's got a slight left quartering. There he is. He's getting tossed around. Those winds up there, you just got to stay with it. You just got to stay with it. Stay with it. Okay. He did it. Today is July the 31st, 2018. Freddy Heintz completed his first solo flight at Buzzy Flight Academy, and he's getting his traditional back of his shirt cut off by his flight instructor, the legendary Nick Gowan.